I absolutely love going into schools and reading stories to children and going to libraries and doing rhyme times. I absolutely love making children and parents laugh.
I love being a manager. I love managing a team. My best work experiences have been where I've come into a team and really built a sense of purpose and a sense of that team of everybody being together.
I think the thing I like about working in libraries the most is the variety of people you meet. There's the staff to start with who are all incredibly welcoming. It's a really inclusive team. Everyone's really passionate about what they do.
What I love about my job is that it combines my interests, my specialist knowledge and my training, and allows me to bring all of that experience and knowledge to other people and improve things at the council.
My name is Henry and I'm a librarian with the Reading and Wellbeing team. The core purpose of my job is to provide a library and information service that promotes reading and knowledge as a route to leading fulfilling lives.
Hi, I'm Frankie. I'm an assistant library manager for the East area of East Sussex County Council. My job entails going all over the county, supporting the managers of our library and information service, whether that's doing outreach, whether it's running events, whether it's doing things like banking and health and safety.
I'm Keris. I'm the team manager for archive services and the Keep. The Keep manages the archives for the county and for Brighton and Hove City Council, and we work in partnership with the University of Sussex.
My name is Ruth. I'm the Digital Preservation Project Officer at East Sussex within the Archive Services team. As Digital Preservation Project Officer, my main responsibilities are looking at how the council is looking after its digital information and records and how we can ensure that they last for the long term or for forever in some cases, and how we can make sure that happens. I studied history at university, which exposed me to archives and how information is stored and protected, which I found really interesting. So a few years later, I went back to university and qualified as an archivist. If you wanted to get into my kind of work, what I would suggest is get some work experience, do some volunteering. So East Sussex, we have the Keep that's based in Brighton, and they have volunteers there that help in their search rooms, help work with their collections.
Legally, we're obliged to hold certain records and to make them available. So we cover that for the County Council, as well as doing the more historical side and the family history side. So there's something for our customers as well as for the County Council.
As a librarian, I see my role in the wider community as providing reading, recreational reading, as something that's a lifelong skill for adults and for children. We encourage children to come and join the library and borrow books. We also have adult literacy lessons provided by volunteers. We promote digital inclusion by having code clubs for children and by having free computer access and Wi-Fi access for adults. I see the value of the library as one of those spaces where anyone can be. You can sit and enjoy the quiet, enjoy the space, or you can access a computer or you can access the Wi-Fi. We've got free books, free newspapers and magazines, but mostly it's a place where you are always welcome.
And then there's the public as well, and it can be a different thing day to day. And I really enjoy that because you never know what you're going to get from each person to the next.
Mostly it's about people, and that's the really important part. You have to be a people person. You have to want to go out and meet people and network and chat. It's a safe space and a free place in East Sussex.